Hi guys, this is Christian Angelo, a mobile developer based in the Philippines using React and React Native. So I've been on mobile applications for the past 8 years and with a proven track record of deploying more than 300 applications currently on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So mainly I'm doing social media applications, real estate applications, e-commerce, mainly e-commerce for the past 4 years, mainly doing a performant because real e-commerce applications are sales-driven applications, so I've been working into it. So it's really been fun, ensuring that the applications are going smooth. So I've also used React Query, Firebase SDK, Facebook SDK, AWS Amplify, GraphQL, so those kind of fun stuff that I've been working into. Maybe I can help your company to grow and develop your mobile applications, and I'm really keen to join you. I've also have experience in mobile DevOps, so using Bitrise Fastlane. Right now, I've been using Expo. So I think if you're interested with my profile, let's keep in touch. Let's have a meeting.